Hi folks, welcome to the backyard. Hey, it's time to think about projectiles a little more. Thanks for making up some crazy ways to launch projectiles. I want to think just a little bit about that together. The first thing is just some vocabulary. If you think about the word projectile, what does it mean? Well, it's a pretty simple idea. If you have a ball or anything and it's moving only under the influence of the earth, hey, that's a projectile. If I hold this in my hand, it's not a projectile. The moment I let go of it, it's a projectile. Doesn't have to be going up, doesn't have to be going sideways, can be going down, but if the only thing acting on it is the earth, it's called a projectile. Now, the first experiment we asked you to try was to think about the launch angle. That's one of the things you can adjust, right? You could launch something sideways, we'd call that 0 degrees. You could launch it up at 45 degrees. You could launch it straight up at 90 degrees. And the idea is to think about how does that angle affect how far a projectile goes. Let me just show you an idea. If I stand back here and do much like many of you did today, you might be able to notice if I toss a ball with a real shallow angle or a real steep angle, I can make them go about the same distance. But if I throw it straight up, of course it comes straight down, and if I throw it horizontally, it hits the ground pretty quickly. So you've probably started to think about how angle affects range.